At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an ice vending machine business can be a lucrative venture, especially in areas with high demand for ice, such as beaches, parks, or recreational areas. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Market research. Investigate the demand for ice in your target area. Identify locations with high foot traffic or where ice is in high demand but not readily available. 2. Business plan. Outline your business plan, including your target market, operating costs, revenue projections, and marketing strategies. Consider factors like machine placement, pricing, and hours of operation. 3. Choose a location. Secure locations for your ice vending machines. Look for high-traffic areas with limited competition. You may need to negotiate agreements or leases with property owners. 4. Select vending machines. Research and choose the type of ice vending machines you want to purchase. Consider factors such as capacity, production speed, energy efficiency, and maintenance requirements. 5. Secure funding. Determine the startup cost for purchasing vending machines, leasing locations, and other expenses. Explore financing options such as loans, investors, or crowdfunding. 6. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Check local regulations to ensure compliance with zoning laws, health codes, and vending machine regulations. Obtain any required permits or licenses. 7. Purchase inventory. Arrange for a reliable source of ice supply. You may choose to produce the ice yourself or establish a partnership with a local ice supplier. 8. Install and set up machines. Install your vending machines at your chosen locations. Ensure they are properly connected to utilities such as electricity and water, and conduct thorough testing to ensure they are functioning correctly. 9. Marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing strategy to attract customers to your ice vending machines. This could include signage, advertising, promotions, or partnerships with local businesses. 10. Monitor and maintain. Regularly inspect and maintain your vending machines to ensure they are operating smoothly. Keep them stocked with ice and address any issues promptly to minimize downtime. 11. Track performance. Keep track of sales and monitor the performance of your vending machines. Analyze data to identify trends, adjust pricing or promotions as needed, and optimize your business operations. 12. Expand and diversify. As your business grows, consider expanding your vending machine network to additional locations or diversifying your offerings with other vending products or services. Remember, like any business, success in the ice vending machine business requires dedication, hard work, and careful planning. Be prepared to adapt to changing market conditions and customer preferences to maximize your profitability. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.